boring. There's no cases. And there's no single case that can make me unboring. Oh, what's that notification? Hey, the director wants me to do another case? But it's too early for cases. But yup, it's boring. Okay, let's read this. Case of the Missing Dog, Episode 4. Seriously, director, another episode? Can I do a real case? Oh, the camera's already here. That's weird. Yeah, I was holding this camera the whole time. How come I never knew that? It's probably because I am the director. Nah. Miss, they said your dog was missing. Where was your dog last seen? Speak now, I'm interrogating you. This is not working. Hey, that's actually my hat. Okay, you can keep it. She's a good little baby. But she says her dog is missing. How is that even a case? Alright, that is a case. But where do I find a dog that is missing? Well, I guess I can look in the street. Can you please stop crying? On my way. Time to ride in my special riding mobile. This is a special riding mobile created by the director. Hey guys, let's go on a real mobile. I'm looking in the streets for a missing dog. This is so hot. Oh! A secret door. Oh, actually, that's my case room. Close it. It's probably not in the street. Let's look somewhere more specific. Where the dog always go. It's probably going to take me 4 hours to think about. Stand by, please. For 4 hours and nearly 5. I still can't find that dog and know where that thing is and where it usually goes. Alright, a dog house. Nah, that's not true. I'm just going to look somewhere else. Hey guys, I'm looking in the floor and it's not here at all. Let me look somewhere else. Where the dog is? It's probably flying in the air. I need to go fly too. That doesn't work. At least have to try. First, I need to go somewhere very high. See ya. I'm gonna jump. Now, guys, I'm in a place that's super high.